to my channel. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's been a minute. I mean, like, I'm talking maybe half a year. It's been a minute since I did a makeup tutorial and I apologize, but I wanted to do something fun. I wanted to show you guys some new palettes that I recently got. I have the new Lyne Cosmetics palette. I don't know if you guys saw a review I did, sorry about my phone. I don't know if you guys saw a review I did for Lyne Cosmetics on her foundation about a year ago. Well, she came out with this amazing palette and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial using it. I wanted to show you guys just the beautiful colors. You know, I did have a little meet and greet at the mall that she opened in, but I wanted to show you guys this gorgeous palette. How gorgeous is this palette? So pretty, right? Look at these colors. Colors are beyond pigmented, you guys. Like, so pigmented. Here, I'll just swatch a couple for y'all. Look at that. Ah, gorgeous. Homegirl did her thing. I mean, beyond pigmented. So pretty. Such gorgeous colors. Look at that. Can we focus? Focus. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a makeup tutorial. I've been playing around with this blonde wig lately, and I've been consistently using the Lyne Cosmetics palette along with the Morphe palette. So I was like, let me do a little makeup tutorial. It's been a minute since I have done anything for them makeup wise. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you guys know what to do. Just leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Let's get started. So I am just priming my face, and then I'm going in with my Benefit Porefessional. My face is looking a little porous today, so I decided to just throw that on. And I'm actually using my L'Oreal matte foundation because I ran out of my Fenty Beauty foundation, which is my go-to. But when I don't have that, I love this. This is just as good. It's very, very affordable too, guys. It's like 10 bucks. I usually get it from Walmart. So it blends out really, really nice. Gives me a nice matte finish. It's like a semi full coverage foundation. And then I'm just going in with two different concealers. One of them is a lighter color, which is medium beige, and then the other one is warm honey. So you'll see both concealers at some point. I'm just gonna blend them out with my beauty blender, and basically, you know, this is just regular highlighting and contouring. It's been a minute since I showed you guys how I highlight and contoured, so I figured I'd do a full face tutorial for you. So I wanted to throw in a quick little brow tutorial in here for you guys. So I'm using two different lip pencils actually on my eyebrows. I mixed Coffee Bean and Coco Loco together from Jordana. I usually get them at Walgreens. They're really affordable, like $1.99 or something like that, or $2.99. Very, very, very affordable. I'm using these two together because they're going to give my brows a lighter appearance, because I am going to be wearing a blonde wig. I know that darker brows are in now with blonde hair, but I still kind of like to lighten up my brows just a bit whenever I do a lighter color hair. So those are the two colors I mixed together. Just a little tip there. You can keep your dark brows if you like, but for me personally, I just like to lighten mine up a bit. So in my crease, I'm just using two of the brown colors from the Morphe palette I showed you guys a little bit earlier. And then I'm also going to be using the Lyne Cosmetics palette as well. I'm using a gold color from there, and I'm just putting that on my lid and in the inner corners of my eyes, and then that's pretty much it. Very, very simple makeup tonight. I'm going to go in with some liquid eyeliner from Milani to create my winged look, and some lashes, and I believe who are my lashes by? I don't even know right now, you guys. I will put it underneath in the bottom bar if I can remember. But just going in with some simple lashes. They're by Ardell, actually. I do know who they're by. I don't remember the number, though, because I threw out the box. But Salon Perfect does make the same ones. I believe they're the 615s. So if you want these lashes, you can get them by them as well. So, yeah. Those are pretty much what I'm doing with my eyes. Oh, and I'm wearing my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara on my lashes. I mean, yeah, pretty much it there. Just throwing in a little blush, outlining my lip with the Coco Loco lip liner. And then I'm using a NYX Powder Puff lip color, which I'm obsessed with. NYX sent me a bunch of these. I should do a review. I'm going to do a review on them so you guys can see them in a video. I'm wearing the color Best Buds, which is super cute, super light pink and powdery. And then I'm just setting my makeup, and that's it. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.